super tip on getting started in investing in real estate?
Marry someone that already owns a property.
Okay. Number two.
I'm going to give you a real answer, right? Buy a $200,000 property with a $20,000 down payment. And, $20,000 seems like a lot of money if you're talking about it like that. But you know what? I spend $20,000 a year eating out. And so if you were to prioritize yourself better than I do and just quit going out so much, you could accumulate that money a lot faster than you think. Plus, there are a lot of people that will loan you that $20,000 for your first flip. I know 10. And so there's other ways to do it. Go to the real estate meetings that are held in your community. Get in the community. Even if you don't have a property, even if you don't have $5,000 right now, start going and meeting the players. Go to the meetups, all of that kind of thing. Every city in the United States has a real estate club that you need to become part of now.